instructor for the business communications class. What I want to do today is just give you some pointers for this first assignment. I'm going to try and do these for all the assignments in the course if I can get them finished in time. This is kind of a new element to the classroom that I'm adding, so it's kind of a, I guess you want to say, experimental. But anyway, the first assignment for this course is going to be writing an efficient business complaint letter. So you can read this scenario here and get an idea of what the background of the scenario is going to be. And so what you're going to do is read this entire scenario, which I'm not going to read it over you or read it for you because you can obviously do that. But I want to reiterate some things I want to see. It needs to be a 2 to 3 page Microsoft Word document. Make sure it's in Word, not Works or any other format. You're going to read the scenario. You're going to go to the library or just the internet and research ways of writing an efficient, positively phrased complaint letter. And you're going to draft this letter in that format. So it gives you even a fake address. So you want to make sure that you've researched all parts of a business letter, an opening and closing, different opening and closings. And you want to make sure not to be negative or, obviously you wouldn't use poor language, but you want to make sure to, read up on how to communicate in a business letter, things to avoid, do's and don'ts. I'm going to try and post a link on here from some resources for you as well this evening to help you with this, as far as, and by all means, feel free to research in the library and online. But if you're going to research online, please make sure to find reputable sources. Don't use eHow or about.com. They're not very, anybody can write on those sites. They're just not very reliable. It's best if you could find some information maybe from another university site or something like that. Or the library is the best thing, first place you want to look. Cite any sources you use in APA style. Make sure to use an in-text citation within the body of the paper and provide a reference list at the end of this assignment as well on a separate page, the very last page. So those are just some tips I wanted to give you for this. And like I said, I'll probably be posting some links for you to kind of look at for some formatting examples. So if you have any questions or concerns about this assignment and specifically, make sure to email me or text me, and I'll be glad to help. Thanks and have a good day.